Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Steam no internet connection error. So first of all, what you need to do here, you need to check if your internet is working. Just go to the browser, refresh the page, and as you can see here, my internet is working. And another step that you need to do here is to check your internet speed. So go to the speedtest.com or net, and then you just need to test your internet connection here. And if you have good internet speed and a consistent connection, then you're good to go. But if you don't, maybe limit some devices or restart your router and then try again. So if you have good internet speed here, another thing that you need to do here is to just go to command prompt or cmd and then run as administrator. And first step, what you need to do here is to just write here ipconfig/flush DNS. And when you get this message, successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache, you need to restart your computer and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then on the system tree on the top bottom right corner, you should see your internet access icon here. So you need to right click on it, go to network and internet settings, and then go to advanced network settings, more network adapter options here, and you should see your internet that you're using here, right? So then what you need to do here is to disable from 5 to 10 seconds here, and after that enable again. And sometimes it fixes the problem here, and if it don't, then you need to right click on it, go to properties, go and find Internet Protocol version 6, make sure it's disabled, and then double click on Internet Protocol version 4, and then press on use the following DNS server addresses and put Google DNS server address. So on preferred DNS server, you just need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server, you just need to write 8.8.4.4, press apply, okay, and the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.